everyone! This week we'll be exploring the fascinating world of animal classifications, learning about the unique characteristics of mammals, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and fish. Today's discussion will build on that foundation, allowing us to delve deeper into details and explore some of the more nuanced aspects of animal biology. Let's explore the why behind these characteristics. How have these adaptations helped animals survive and thrive in their environments? We'll also consider the challenges these animals face in today's world and how those challenges might impact.
Let's learn about animals. There are 5 types of animals, which are mammals, birds, amphibians, fish, and reptiles. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Female mammals produce milk and give birth to their young ones. Bears are mammals, just like me. Birds. Birds are animals that have feathers. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live on land as well as underwater. Amphibians can breathe and absorb water through their very thin skin. Fish. Fish are animals that live in the water and have gills instead of lungs, scales, and fins on their body. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals with scaly skin. Almost all reptiles lay eggs. Goody!
Vertebrates, animals with backbones, are broadly classified into 5 major groups: mammals, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and fish. Each group possesses unique characteristics that distinguish them. Mammals. Mammals are characterized by the presence of mammary glands, producing milk to nourish their young. They are generally warm-blooded or endothermic, maintaining a constant internal body temperature. Hair or fur provides insulation, and they typically possess 3 middle ear bones for enhanced hearing. Examples range from the tiny shrew to the enormous blue whale. Reptiles. Reptiles are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by external sources. They have scales covering their bodies, providing protection from desiccation. Most reptiles lay eggs, although some gave birth to live young. Examples include snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Amphibians. Amphibians are unique in their dual life cycle. They begin life in water, breathing through gills, and later develop lungs for terrestrial life. Their skin is permeable, allowing for gas exchange and water absorption. Frogs, toads, salamanders, and caecilians are examples of amphibians. Birds. Birds are easily recognized by their feathers, which provide insulation and enable flight. They are endothermic like mammals and possess a unique respiratory system with air sacs for efficient oxygen uptake. Their beaks are diversely adapted for various feeding strategies. Penguins, hummingbirds, eagles, and ostriches represent the incredible diversity within this group. Fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrates, typically possessing gills for breathing underwater. They are mostly ectothermic and their bodies are often covered in scales. The vast majority of fish lay eggs, but some species exhibit live birth. This group encompasses a wide range of species from the tiny guppy to the enormous whale shark.